I'm back again, and sorry it cut off while I was talking, but just a small problem, you know, out of film. Today, going back where we were, but yesterday it rained a big, huge storm. It was like, awesome! Now, look right here.
Don't get in it.
I'm not going to get in it. I know that. Look how far it went. That's a big puddle. But sadly, it dried overnight. Must have been hot during the night for it. And in the summer, it's hard. Sorry, that's my sister. She's camera shy. Now, look at this. That's a perfect place for a tadpole. Just one thing. No shelter, nowhere to hide. And by the way, that'll dry up and it's already drying up. In seconds, it can be smaller. Over here, the water is something here. Look at that. Oh, I love these kind of things. Water rolls. Don't step in it, or you would destroy Mother Nature's creation. Now look at that. Nice home, isn't it? Dogs would pee on this, apparently. And also, frogs can hide in, you know. See that? That's where a frog buried, right there. Where I pulled those leaves, you know. Oh, look at that. Huh. There's ants. Over here,